From courtyards to vertical gardens, stunning nature-inspired designs for your home. Introduction: Embracing Nature in Home Design. Welcome to ByJSTD. In today's video, we're exploring the transformative power of nature-inspired design elements in home interiors. From serene courtyards to innovative vertical gardens, these design concepts are more than just aesthetic choices, they're about creating spaces that enhance your quality of life by bringing the outdoors inside. If you're passionate about architecture and interior design, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more content that you love. The allure of courtyards. Courtyards have long been a staple of residential architecture, providing a private outdoor space that integrates seamlessly with the home. These open-air areas can serve as tranquil retreats, gathering spaces for family and friends, or even as extensions of your living room or kitchen. With thoughtful landscaping, a courtyard can become a lush oasis that invites relaxation and enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. Incorporating elements like water features, comfortable seating, and lush greenery can transform a simple courtyard into a captivating outdoor sanctuary. Designing functional and beautiful courtyards. Creating a functional and beautiful courtyard involves careful planning and design. Start by considering the layout and how it will connect with the interior spaces of your home. Elements such as pathways, seating areas, and planting beds should be arranged to encourage flow and interaction. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate and complement the design of your home. Additionally, incorporating features like outdoor lighting and weather-resistant furniture can make your courtyard a versatile space that is enjoyable year-round. The rise of vertical gardens. Vertical gardens, also known as living walls, are an innovative way to incorporate greenery into your home's design. These structures allow you to grow plants vertically, making them ideal for spaces with limited horizontal area. Vertical gardens not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space but also improve air quality and create a soothing environment. They can be installed both indoors and outdoors, making them a versatile solution for urban settings where traditional garden space is scarce. Benefits of vertical gardens. Vertical gardens offer numerous benefits beyond their visual appeal. They can help to regulate indoor temperatures, reduce noise pollution, and provide a natural air filtration system. By incorporating a variety of plant species, you can create a dynamic and vibrant living wall that contributes to a healthier and more enjoyable living environment. Additionally, vertical gardens can be customized to fit any space, making them a flexible option for enhancing both small apartments and larger homes. Integrating vertical gardens into your home. When integrating a vertical garden into your home, consider the placement and design to maximize its impact. Indoor vertical gardens work well in areas such as living rooms, kitchens, and home offices, where they can provide a refreshing focal point. Outdoor vertical gardens can be installed on exterior walls, fences, or even as part of a privacy screen. Choose plants that suit the light conditions and maintenance requirements of the space to ensure a thriving and sustainable garden. Combining courtyards and vertical gardens. For a truly immersive nature-inspired design, consider combining courtyards and vertical gardens. This combination allows you to create a multi-dimensional outdoor space that offers both ground-level greenery and vertical visual interest. By integrating these elements, you can enhance the overall design of your home and create a cohesive outdoor environment that invites relaxation and enjoyment. Incorporate pathways that connect your courtyard with vertical garden installations to create a harmonious flow between these elements. Choosing the right plants for your design. Selecting the right plants is crucial to the success of both courtyards and vertical gardens. Consider factors such as climate, light conditions, and maintenance requirements when choosing plants. For courtyards, opt for plants that provide year-round interest and complement the overall design theme. For vertical gardens, choose a mix of climbing plants, succulents, and foliage varieties that will thrive in the vertical space and create a lush, layered effect. Maintaining your nature-inspired spaces. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your courtyards and vertical gardens looking their best. For courtyards, this includes tasks such as pruning, weeding, and watering to ensure that plants remain healthy and vibrant. Vertical gardens require specific care, including monitoring for pests, managing irrigation systems, and ensuring that plants receive adequate light. By staying on top of maintenance tasks, you can enjoy the benefits of your nature-inspired design for years to come. Conclusion: the impact of nature-inspired design. In conclusion, incorporating courtyards and vertical gardens into your home design can significantly enhance your living environment by blending nature with modern architecture. These design elements offer not only aesthetic appeal but also practical benefits such as improved air quality and a greater connection to the outdoors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to ByJustTD for more inspiring content on architecture and interior design. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps